Thanks to this chimney hood from Rangemaster, you can enjoy a steam and odour-free kitchen. This hood has the ability to be used for extraction or recirculation. If your hood is installed next to an outside wall, steam and odours can be removed by extracting the air out of the room through ducting. If you live in an apartment or the hood is placed too far away from the outside wall, the stale air is sucked through a grease filter and then a charcoal filter for purification, before being pumped back into the kitchen. So whatever your setup, you can be sure that the air in your kitchen is clean during and after cooking. With an airflow rate of up to 530 cubic metres per hour, air is extracted at a faster rate, so your kitchen is cleared quicker. The metal grease filter can be washed, unlike a paper filter which would need replacing. Your hood is not only easy to maintain, but it won't cost you any extra. Practical and stylish, this Rangemaster chimney hood is a great addition to any modern kitchen.